Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of zero-budget woodworking project ideas turn scrap wood into profitable home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Thoughtful design, paired with innovative woodworking techniques and intentional finishing, has the power to elevate overlooked materials into unique, marketable home decor pieces, creating opportunities for income generation even with zero budget and limited skill in woodworking. The journey begins with a mindset shift, seeing potential where others see waste. In a world increasingly aware of environmental concerns, the practice of transforming discarded items into beautiful, functional decor embodies a commitment to sustainability while inspiring creativity. Individuals can embrace the challenge of repurposing materials such as old pallets, reclaimed wood, or fallen branches, harnessing their hidden beauty through thoughtful design and craftsmanship that need not depend on extensive training or financial investment. At the core of this transformative process lies the concept of thoughtful design, which encompasses an intentional approach to every aspect of the creation process. By focusing on the inherent qualities of the materials at hand, even those that may seem unremarkable can shine. A piece of old pallet wood, for instance, can be meticulously cleaned and sanded to reveal its character, showcasing rustic imperfections, wood grain, and weathered hues that embody a unique charm. Recognizing and embracing these attributes is essential. Rather than disguising flaws, thoughtful design seeks to highlight them, celebrating the history each piece carries. This design philosophy resonates with consumers who are increasingly drawn to authenticity and the stories behind the products they choose to bring into their homes. Equally important are the woodworking techniques employed to bring these designs to life. Individuals embarking on this journey don't need to be master woodworkers. Instead, they can start by learning simple, accessible techniques that can have a profound impact. Basic skills such as measuring accurately, cutting with a handsaw or jigsaw, drilling holes for assembly, and using screws or wood glue for joining materials form the foundation of creating beautiful decor pieces. With practice and patience, anyone can acquire these skills and gain a sense of pride in handmade items that speak to their personal aesthetic. Furthermore, embracing imperfections can become a hallmark of their creation, as the charming inconsistencies found in handmade items often attract customers looking for unique, one-of-a-kind decor elements. Another vital element is the process of intentional finishing, which dramatically influences the final look and feel of the decor piece. Even with limited resources, individuals can explore a variety of low-cost or even free finishing techniques that enhance their creations without straining their budget. For instance, natural oils, such as linseed or tung oil, can be applied to enhance the wood's color and grain while providing a protective layer. Alternatively, simple homemade finishes, such as a mixture of beeswax and mineral oil, can be crafted inexpensively to create a rustic sheen, highlighting the piece's natural beauty. Painting or staining can also be employed to match trendy color palettes, allowing artisans to tailor their creations to contemporary tastes. Each finish brings out different aspects of the wood, creating depth and character, and guiding the decision-making process based on the desired aesthetic. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. In this context, the essence of turning waste into opportunity involves both creativity and resourcefulness. By seeking out discarded materials in their own local environments, whether from construction sites, community cleanup initiatives, or even furniture donations, individuals can access a wealth of raw potential without financial investment. This practice of reclaiming and repurposing not only promotes sustainability, but also fosters a sense of community as artisans share ideas, materials, and knowledge with one another. Collaborating with local businesses or organizations focused on sustainability offers additional avenues for accessing waste materials and transforming them into decor pieces that resonate with the ethos of environmental responsibility. Inspiring ideas can come from observing contemporary design trends, identifying what consumers desire in their spaces, and then interpreting these trends through the lens of available materials. For example, as biophilic design, a concept that emphasizes incorporating natural elements into interiors, continues to gain traction. Individuals can create pieces that reflect this approach by incorporating natural, reclaimed wood textures and organic shapes. Beautiful, functional items like planters made from salvaged wood, decorative shelves that mimic natural formations, or even wall art showcasing the intricate details of reclaimed timber can resonate with consumers seeking authenticity and connection to the natural world. Such pieces not only serve a practical purpose, but also evoke a sense of tranquility and well-being, appealing to an audience increasingly invested in enhancing their living spaces. As individuals refine their woodworking techniques and develop a unique design style, they can begin to cultivate a brand that resonates with consumers seeking sustainable home decor. Sharing the journey of repurposing waste materials can create an emotional connection, inviting potential buyers to join in the narrative of sustainability and creativity. Utilizing social media platforms, artisans can document their craftsmanship, providing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the transformation from discarded wood to beautiful decor. Engaging storytelling can enhance the appeal of their creations, drawing in an audience that values both artistry and environmental consciousness. The process of sharing not only showcases the pieces, but also establishes a sense of community among those passionate about sustainable design. Additionally, income can be generated through workshops, where artisans can teach others how to turn waste into decor. These workshops can serve as platforms to share techniques, foster creativity, and promote community involvement. Individuals often seek out hands-on experiences, especially those focused on sustainability and craftsmanship. Thus, providing guided opportunities for participants to create their own decor pieces can be both fulfilling and profitable. Hosting workshops in collaboration with local organizations or crafting communities can enhance visibility while fostering a spirit of mentorship that encourages others to embrace the values of sustainability and creativity. Moreover, it is vital to recognize that profitability can stem not only from selling finished products, but also from diversifying income streams. By offering customization options or creating limited edition collections, artisans can cater to varying consumer preferences while maximizing potential income. By tapping into their creativity and the possibilities embedded in overlooked materials. As consumers become increasingly interested in sustainable choices and unique, handcrafted goods, the potential for this movement to thrive grows ever greater, fostering a culture of mindfulness and respect for nature that we can all celebrate. Through this journey, artisans not only elevate themselves, but also inspire others to dream, create, and turn waste into opportunity, building a brighter and more sustainable future for all. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked zero-budget woodworking project ideas turn scrap wood into profitable home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.